Hey guys, so in today's video I'm decluttering, and it's basically because I want to donate a bunch of clothing. So guys, I'm on my way there. I'll let you know how everything goes. So wish me luck. Good morning guys, welcome and welcome back. So in today's video I was just chilling, and I've always had this feeling of I want to give the wig a break. Maybe I should do braids and stuff. So I washed my hair yesterday and conditioned and moisturized. So today I want to do my hair. I already have my braids right here with me. So I'm gonna braid my hair and then style it. So let's do this together. Guys, it's been an hour, so I'm almost done. Like I've almost done halfway, so that's really good. They're coming out nice. The fact that I have locked hair makes it worse, makes it more difficult, but we are cruising nicely. So yeah, let's see how it goes. It's 2,000 years later and we're done. I'm quite happy with the results so far. It's been a while. So guys, I'm about to unbox this pot that I recently bought from a certain shop called Vitu Zote. It's enamel on cast iron. So you can imagine how heavy it is, and apart from that, how expensive it is. This one costed me, was it 32,000? But they discounted it to 26,000, around 26,000 Kenya shillings. It was on impulse, but I love the fact that it's a long-term investment. So yeah, let's unbox it. Let me get kitchen scissors. I can see it inside. Oh my god, Oh my god, the lid is like 10 kgs. Like what? Or even 20. This is so heavy. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. It's heavy. This is what we are working with. It comes with a guide. So I'm definitely gonna read that later. For now, I'm just, oh, they protected it using these. So for now, I'm just gonna look at inside. Can I cook one big fish in here? I love it. And it's so heavy, like the quality. And you guys know cast iron, how it is. Look at what it says. Enamel. Porcelain enamel on cast iron. That's the brand. You can look for it. I think it's really, really good quality and it's a lifetime investment. Look at that. So anyways, I have blended a mixture of ingredients that I'm gonna use. My veggies of course are ready. So here I have tomatoes, I have bell peppers, the red ones, green and yellow. I have chili as well, and so that would make it easy for me when I'm cooking. So let's make the fish, and considering that it's only for myself, I'm just gonna make one whole fish today. So yeah, let's get this going. I'm so excited. It's so heavy, like I can't lift it with one hand, guys. Seriously. look oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. Okay, let's cook. So I washed it and it's drying clearly. The water is drying completely. So I'm just gonna add some onions, just a little bit of ring onions. Then I'm gonna go in with my virgin olive oil, cold pressed. I'm gonna add a little bit as well, just to fry the onions. Then I'm going to stir right around and let it sit, let it cook until golden brown. So yeah, refrigerated garlic mixed with olive oil, that's why it's sitting like this. It keeps it longer so it doesn't go bad, it's fresh. And because our mixture that I had blended has a lot of has other spices, the last thing I'm going to add in is ginger, because ginger is good for digestion, and also it's, when you add it to food, it absorbs the bad smell or whatever, the dominating smell. So the mixture, the combination comes out great. So yeah, what you do after you've crushed it like this, you don't want to crush it completely. So you can choose to peel it, or you can choose to prepare it with the fiber. Myself, I do this, and then after I wash it, I know I'm good. So I put it into these big pieces so that I can see it in the stew or in the soup, and it's easy to remove. Alternatively, you can blend it and with the entire mixture, and it will come out soft, so you don't have to eat it directly. add black pepper, fish masala, sea salt. I'm making the fish wedge fry, not completely stew. So add the remaining blended mixture on top to cover it, and then you want to turn it as early before it completely fries and becomes soft. After that, cover and let it simmer under low heat, and then remove when ready. So let's check on the fish. The moment of truth, guys. I served it with I served the fish in a fish plate with the veggies, avocados and ugali. Lakini acha nikwambie, ukipikia chali yako hivi kwa 2 consecutive weekends, aki anakupandisha ndege for the first time. Sikudanganya. Akikupeleka Eldoret, unapanda nini grade A? Ama kama naona hiyo ni tricky sana, unajua nafanya nini? Nakupea key ya kwake. Akwambia mama usieni ngoja tena ati nakuja kufungua. Ndio hii key. Alafu mpe chai after that, eh? Okay, let's find out. The moment of truth. Thank you, Lord, for this meal. In a slap. Try this. Alafu kujuniambia ya kuproposia.